afternoon, children. I am fine. And how are you? Make a circle. Raise your hand. Stretch your hand. Shake your hand. Hands down. Clap your hand. Jump on the spot. Run on the spot. Sit down. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Touch your head. Touch your nose. Touch your cheek. Clap your hand. Stand up. Anjali, come in. Go back. Manali, come in. Go back. Shubhangi, go out. Come the circle. Come in the circle. Sit down. Fold your hand. Rest.